these GL accounts for the FI to MM integrations and all, and we need to have all these accounts in the FI to MM integration configurations and all, and based on the FI consultant activities and all. Okay, we will going to create the some part of the GL accounts, and then next, based on the transaction keys availability and all, we will going to assign all these transaction GL accounts based on the OBYC transaction code. Okay, that is the most important thing right now we have. See the next one. First one is creation of GL accounts. Okay, what is the creation of GL accounts that we have here? Okay, go to the FS00. So raw material inventory account, we will going to create it under the current assets and loans. Can you take out the current assets and loans? Can you take out the current assets and loans? Okay, now under this current assets and loans, we will going to create our GL account. That is raw material inventory account. Short text is raw material inventory account. Raw material inventory account. Okay, then in the long text also it is raw material inventory account. Okay, raw material inventory account. Raw material inventory account. Then sort key is 001, and in the field status group, so you can just give Z003, that is Z006, that is the material accounts, right? And here what you need to do is you can just tick mark on the post automatically only. When you click mark on this post automatically, system will going to find out based on the transaction keys and all. Yes, this is the post automatically GL account, and then system automatically fetch all these details from the main OBYC transaction code. Okay, right, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Right, and then next thing here is raw material inventory account is over, right? And the next one is under this current current liabilities and provisions. So we will going to create GRR and IR clearing account, that is goods receipt and invoice receipt clearing account. Goods receipt and invoice receipt clearing account. Goods receipt and invoice receipt clearing account. Goods receipt or invoice receipt, GR or GR and IR clearing account. You can just write down GR and IR clearing account. Then in the GL long text also it is GR IR clearing account. Okay. Then next in the control data INR, in control data INR, and the sort key is 001, I think so. Sort key is 001. Sorry, see he this is based on the purchase orders, right? Under the control data you can just give 014. Then next one is under this field status group you can just give Z045, that is goods invoice received clearing accounts. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, right. Then next one is can you go to the change option and give post automatically only. See if you have any price differences accounts and all, we will going to create it under this expenses accounts only. Okay, under this expenses accounts only we will going to create price differences account. All right, go to the type of description. GL account type is the primary costs or revenues, and the account group is a expenses, and GL long text is a price differences account. Sort key is same 001, and create our bank interest is Z001. No need to worry. See if you have freight charges and all, we have to create the freight charges clearings accounts and all. Okay, freight charges clearings accounts and all. Click on the enter, go to the save button and post automatically. Go to the save button and save it. See, based on the condition types only, we will going to create each and everything. No need to worry. Okay. Go to the current liabilities and provisions. We will going to create a freight charges accounts. Okay. Freight charges. See, if you have delivery charges and all, that is current liability only, right? For you. Okay. Go to the type or description in the GL account type. You can just give balance sheet and account group is current liability. Short text is freight charges. Short text is freight charges. Then next GL long text is freight charges. Same thing. Sort key 001. Field status group is Z001. Post automatically only. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, that is the most important thing that we have right now. Okay, right, Pawan. Can you go to the same thing? So whatever the creation of GL accounts that we have created. Okay, you can just write down. You can just write down all these things like raw material inventory account, raw material inventory account, raw material inventory account. The next one is raw material inventory account, inventory account. The next one. Price differences, sorry, GR or IR clearing account, GR or IR clearing account. The next one is price differences account, price differences account, price difference account. And the next one is, a freight charges account. And the next one is a freight charges account. Okay, so these are the things we have created in the FS00 transaction code. Okay, freight charges clearings account, and these things are expenses and these things is current liabilities. Freight charges is current liability and raw material is a current assets. Then so you have to determine the GL accounts using transaction code OBYC. Okay, see, based on transaction keys only we will going to see all these details, right? Okay, can you go to the transaction code OBYC? We will going to assign each and every GL account that we have created. Okay, OBYC transaction code under this BSX, that is transaction key. Okay, that is raw material inventory account and all. We will going to assign the GL account. Come down. Come down. Take out the BSX. Yes, inventory postings, raw material inventory postings and all. Give your chart of accounts. Yes, take out the valuation class, valuation modifier, go to the posting key and save the rules first and go to the accounts. Okay, can you take out the valuation modifier as that is the only thing, PAV1. Okay, then valuation class is 3100 and go to the GL account, take out the raw material inventory account. Take out the raw material inventory account. Where is the raw material inventory? Take out that thing. Go to the continue option, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. See, successfully we have assigned the things and all. Okay, then next one, come back. Then next one, what is the next thing? GRIR clearing account, right? Can you come down? What is the GRIR clearing account accounting key? Goods receipt, I think WRX. Come down. Come down, go up. Take out the GRIR clearing account. Yes, take out the valuation modifier, valuation class, go to the posting key. Yes, and here valuation modifier is PAV1, valuation class is 3100. Then account is GRIR clearing account that we have created. In these things. GRIR clearing account. Yes, go to the save button and save it. That is the most important thing right now we have, right? Then next one is PRD, price differences. Can you take out the PRD? Go up. PRD, go up. Yes. Double click on this thing. We will going to assign one price differences. Take out the valuation modifier, valuation class, go to the posting key and save the posting rules first. And in the valuation modifier, you can just give PAV1 and the valuation class is 3100 and the account is GRIR clear, sorry, price differences account. See, all these things are most important, all of you. So please try to learn the subject. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, come back. Come back. See, we have last thing that is price, sorry, freight charges clearings accounts. FR1, you can just take anything. FR1, freight clearings. Yes, take out that thing. See, you do have custom clearings and all based on your client requirement. So you can just assign all these things. And valuation modifier is PAV1 and the valuation class is 3100 and the account is take out the account. Take out the account. Go to the continue option. Yes. And take out the freight charges account. Right. Can you go to the save button and save it? See, successfully we have defined each and everything. Okay, so till now we have defined all these configurations. In the next session, what we need to do is we will going to post the purchase order. We will enter the goods receipt. We will enter the invoice verification. Then we will going to see the payment clearing for the business partners of the vendors. Okay, with the help of purchasing organizations and all. Okay, all of you. Right.